Portugal is a country in the far west of Europe, located in the southwestern part of the Iberian Peninsula. Portugal has an exceptional landscape diversity from green hills in the north, covered with forests and vineyards, to rocky mountains with impressive landscapes in the central part and semi-deserts in the south. The country is also famous for its stunning coastline, warm climate and magnificent beaches. Interesting facts: wine is considered the national drink of Portugal, and it is one of the most popular exports. The oldest bookstore in the world opened in 1732 in Lisbon. Livraria Bertrand is still working, and it is also listed in the Guinness Book of Records. Portugal has a list of band names for children. Portugal is a country of seafarers and a maritime power. Portuguese Fernando Magellan was the first to travel around the world. Vasco da Gama became the discoverer of the sea route to India. Álvares Cabral and others discovered new lands, Brazil, parts of Africa and the Far East.
Don't leave me